Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today is lesson Japan, a modern and tradition country. Easy English with Urdu. Japan is an island country in Asia. It has four big islands and many small ones. The capital city is Tokyo. More than 125 million people live in Japan. Japan is known for its technology and tradition. It has vast and big cities and old temples. Many people wear modern clothes, but some still wear kimonos, traditional Japanese dress. The weather in Japan is different in each season. In spring, people love to see cherry blossom trees. In summer, it's hot and people go to the beach. In autumn, the trees are red or green. In winter, there is snow in the north. Japanese food is famous. People eat rice, fish, and vegetable. They also eat sushi, which is made with rice and raw fish. They drink green tea. Japanese people are polite and hardworking. They love clean cities, good manners, and education. Some difficult word English to Urdu meaning Iceland country Jazire ka mulk capital city Darul Hukumat technology temple Mandar kimono Japanese रवायती लिबास चेरी ब्लूसम चेरी की फूल सुशी उर्दू मीनिंग सुशी पोलाइट शाइस्ता हार्डवर्किंग मेहनती